The DV7, which will be coming out in February, is a 17-inch version of HP's new, on the high-end consumer notebook. It has a brushed aluminum umber surface, which is a bronzish color. It's leans a little bit towards brown, and it also extends on the inside, where you can see a nice large touchpad with a light around it as well. This is a pre-production model, so this is going to be a little bit brighter than what consumers will actually see. It has a very comfortable island-style keyboard, and there's a slight curvature to the keys as well, which makes it more easy to type on. The biggest thing about the metal versions of the DV6 and the DV7 is that they'll have Beats audio technology, which previously was only in the Envy line. Also, this notebook and the DV6 have 4 speakers. There are 2 up here and 2 here on the front lip, and on the DV7 there's also a subwoofer on the bottom, so you get a lot better sound than from most notebooks. In fact, we're going to play a quick section of. You can really get hear a nice range of sound from both bass and higher tones. Unlike other notebooks, this one has discrete mouse buttons, which we actually like. Although HP's integrated click pads have also been fairly good, and they've increased in usability over the last year or so. There's also a fingerprint reader, and if we go around the sides, there's 2 USB 3.0 ports, as well as HDMI, VGA, Ethernet, and headphone mic jacks. And then on the other side is a DVD player, as well as 2 more USB jacks and the power. Once again, on the front, there's 2 big speaker grills here, memory card slot, HP's logo, and also in another nice touch, on the rear side of this is HP put Hewlett-Packard there. It's almost like you'd find on a car, almost like a Packard, if you will. And it adds a nice little touch of class. You can also see on the side here that the design angles up slightly, which makes it easier to grab when you're pulling it out of a bag or simply holding it. It's also a nice little design flourish. The DV7 will start at $999. The DV6, which is the 15.6-inch version of this notebook, will start at $749, and they'll be available starting on February 27th. This is Mike Prospero for Laptop Magazine.